In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a wire transfer to your Robinhood account. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Robinhood like you normally would. Then you need to go to the bottom menu and select on the profile icon. Afterwards, please go to the top right, press on these three bars. Then you want to scroll down until you see this section that says transfers. Then once you're over here, what you want to do is you want to select over here where it says send a wire transfer. So please go ahead and select on that. Then from here, you have multiple different options. So you could transfer to or from your brokerage accounts, and this typically occurs within 1 business days. So you could transfer money from your bank or to your bank. So this is 100% up to you. So let's say we wanted to go ahead and transfer money from our bank over on Robinhood. So this is basically going to take money from a bank account or another brokerage and then send it to Robinhood. You want to select on from your bank. Then what you want to do is you want to copy this information and you can use it on your other brokerage in order to actually send money and funds to your Robinhood account. So be sure to actually take a look at this, that you can copy it all to your clipboard. Now, more importantly, please make sure that your routing number and also your recipient account number and the address is 1000% correct. I highly recommend double checking and doing this process slowly and calmly, because the last thing you want to do is make any mistakes on the wire transfer. If you guys found this video helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.